Liesman, of course, has been on Squawk all morning with Kevin Warsh, talking about a 100% chance of a March cut, according to futures contracts. And now some news on Bullard. Hey, Steve.
Hey, Carl, St. Louis Fed President Jim Bullard out with comments just now on Fed policy and the coronavirus, sounding as if he's leaning against any near-term rate cut. Here's a quote: "Further policy rate cuts are a possibility if a global pandemic actually develops, with health effects approaching the scale of ordinary influenza. But this is not the baseline case at this time." Bullard said the Fed is monitoring the virus, but is in, quote, "a good position because of previous rate cuts put in place to cushion the economy against adverse shocks." He said last year's rate cuts still working their way through the U.S. economy. Bullard said he expects China's first quarter growth to be impacted by the virus, but the effects on other countries will be smaller. Now, while Bullard and other officials seem to be leaning against this idea of immediate cuts, futures markets pricing in those cuts much more aggressively. Take a look at this. As Carl said, 100% chance of a 25 basis point cut, but this is new now. A 71% chance that the Fed actually goes 50 at its meeting next month. And then looking ahead, if you take that second cut there, that second cut 60% priced in for April, 59% chance of a third cut in June, 62% chance. Now, this is also new, of a fourth cut in December. Now, former Fed Governor Kevin Warsh on Squawk this morning, reiterating his support for coordinated global rate cuts, a position apparently not yet shared by current Fed officials. Carl?